Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by connecting hardware. Plug your MIDI keyboard into USB or use DIN cables via your audio interface. Once the device is powered, make sure the computer lists it in System Devices so FL Studio can see it. Then open FL Studio and go straight to Options, MIDI Settings, enable the input port, and set the controller type if available. This initial step ensures a communication path. Without it, the rest won't work. Now that the port is enabled, move on to routing notes into a channel. Next, you route MIDI into an instrument. Add a VSD or choose a channel in the channel rack. Once the instrument is loaded, open its channel settings and assign the MIDI input port you enabled earlier. This tells FL Studio which device controls that channel. Make sure port mapping is consistent across channels if you use multiple instruments. If available, choose the specific controller script for tighter integration, otherwise use generic controller. This routing step converts your piano playing into notes the VSD will receive and play. Finally, test and record. Arm a pattern or the playlist, enable the record button, and play to confirm FL Studio receives input and the instrument responds. Watch the MIDI activity meter and the VSD's keyboard highlight. These confirm signal flow even if audio is silent. If you hit problems, first check the selected MIDI port and channel, then review audio buffer size and drivers. Low latency drivers like a CO often matter. If that fails, restart FL Studio and re-enable the device. This simple reset fixes most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.